is the most powerful craft afloat. And the Star Tugs are the power behind the docks and waterways that make up the big city port. This is Tugs.
See about that. Now just move aside and let me through.
Bruno, stay back. That barge is unsafe.
You're not giving me orders. If they want to move, they move. I told you to move it. Now look what's happened now, you dummy.
Oh, no, Sergeant, just quick.
I'm in charge. Stay where you are.
No way, I know what's on that barge. Get clear, the whole thing's gonna blow.
Stay where you are.
Emergency, emergency. Clear the area immediately.
Stay still and obey order.
Move out, save yourselves. 10 cents, cut your barge rope and pull free. My barge is clear, but Bruno's blocking the way.
I know what to do. Stay still and do.
Oh, come on, Bruno's cast off. Let's get out of here.
And come. And come. And come.
Right harder, go on.
My engine's cut out.
Oh, Jay, his engine's out. I'm going to help.
Don't be a fool, 10 cents. Get out of there.
He's right, move.
He's got himself into this. Leave him.
It's too dangerous, 10 cents. You're coming with me, Bruno. Keep going, 10 cents. Keep going. The treasure's on fire. It'll throw in his gun.
You me. They've got my orders, and they orders says I'm looting fuel.
You can load all you want after I get you out of here. Hey, AJ, what shall I do with him? Put him at the back. Out the way. We don't want any more of his orders.
Boy, this is a mutiny. Take me back immediately. Obey orders. Obey orders. Order me orders.
Oh no, Big Mickey's talking's going up.
Move out, everyone. It's going over. Here we are. I'll get you clear.
Let's hope Mickey gets it right, otherwise he'll sink us all.
Big Mickey.
Oh, he's done it. He's falling sideways.
That was too close for comfort. It took real skin to make that move. He saved us all for sure. But the fire's getting out of control. The siren for sure. The fire truck will reach us any minute. Just wish it were here now.
Fire truck won't be much good. Look at that trapper.
Someone's having a dockside celebration.
No, if there was a party, I would have been invited.
Perhaps they don't need a long-necked highbrow.
Roll certainly wouldn't want low-life like you there. What's that?
Emergency! Emergency! Get them tied up and follow on, Tophead. Might need all hands.
Yeah, follow on, Top Hat. Fire at your dog.
I'll get on you, but these two are in a right stick.
Always our fault, eh, Frank?
Never is, eh, Eddie?
He could take us along. Not to see a fire.
The only fire you're going to see, I can tell you this from here, is the one I will set under your tracks if you don't get a move on.
Oh.
The after order's blown out, the fire will really spread.
I feel so helpless. God, they were really big explosions.
Dead balls don't come yet. Just you wait. She was nearly fully loaded before that naval twit arrived. What's on board will rip her apart.
Isn't there anything we can do?
No, what dummy. Anyway, you've done your bit. Just sit back and watch.
But it's spreading. And that means puff and the dockside will go up. You're all right, 10 cents. Come on, everyone. Shout and warn Papa. Go on, Papa. Go on, Papa. Get out of there. Will you get out of there? let's try and get it out to sea. Don't do it. Stay back. If that blows, it'll take you over there. What's that?
What's what?
That. Yes, hush, be careful. It's a red sky at night, sailors delight.
The sun went down ages ago. And it's north, not west. Fire!
Oh, it's really hot. There's no chance getting a line on it. What does he think he's doing?
Don't know, but rather him than me.
Better push it. I've got to get it out to sea. Oh, it's about time you turned up. Your 10 cents hand is burning up.
Get that thing out of here, quick!
What do you think I was doing? I'm not here to keep warm, you know.
You not stay back!
I wasn't thinking of moving anyway, mister.
Who's responsible for this thing?
Heads, behind me, blue nose.
Oh, him who gives all the orders. Well, he won't be giving any more now. He's in shock. Sunshine, get the fire barge and start dousing that building. It's gonna blow any second. On your way, sir. We're gonna try and stop the fire from spreading.
I'm taking this out to sea, Sunshine. Take care. What's those flames back there? Hey, what you've got there looks far more dangerous than me. That's a bomb, man. Just leave it, will ya? I'll be okay.
Stop that chat. Sunshine, get that barge working. Steer it between the flames and swing it round.
Yes! Yeah!
Fire! Fire! Just in time, warrior. Use your fire hose on that barge and the oil yard. Quick! Listen, right away, sir. I'll do my best, sir.
There's two things wrong with that order, mister. Warrior don't move fast. His lights may be on, but there's no one there.
At least he's in there, Soren.
Hey, the building's on fire now! Oh, I can't seem to stop it! Oh.
Just keep pouring water on it, Sunshine. Stop the spray! Stop the spray! Warrior, get out of there! It's gonna blow! I can control it, sir. Don't worry. Well. Oh, that be it, mate. Go back, warrior! Move back! No, sir. I've got to look after Papa. He's a mighty valuable and good friend. Got to look after your friends, you know. Okay, warrior. Here, Soren, give me a hand with this fire barge. We've got to try and save that trapper.
Can't see this barge doing much good, mister. But you're in charge.
Go on, son. Show 'em who's a real hero. It's getting too dangerous. The tank's blistering badly. Oh, no, it's starting to smoke. It's gonna go any second. I've got to get out of here. 10 cents! It's 10 cents! The oil barge! I must have... Stay put, Sunshine! You're needed here. But he might need help! Stay where you are!
Look up, Soren. She's going to keel over any moment now. There's nothing more we can do. Stand clear, everyone! Stand clear! She's coming!
Just look at the state of the dockside.
Yeah, that's nothing compared with what could have happened. If Sunshine and Warrior hadn't contained the fire, it could have easily spread to the city. Well done, all of you.
Oh dear. Seems I'm too late to save the day. well,